Hi, welcome. What's the eagle can teach us? Eagles are one of the strongest and most focused birds in the sky. They don't fly without purpose. They observe carefully, they wait patiently. An eagle can live for many decades. Over the years, it goes through storms, strong winds, and harsh winters. It doesn't quit when conditions get hard. It keeps flying. When eagles get old, they can't hunt easily anymore, even a small prey, so they renew themselves. They replace old feathers with new ones. They spend time alone in the high places, rebuilding their strength. They don't complain, they prepare. So, friends, sometimes in our life, day by day, year by year, we feel tired, we feel distracted, we feel like we can't go further. So, if you feel dull, don't quit. Take time, reflect, reset, and then fly again. Like the eagle, we can rise again, stronger, wiser, and more focused. So, friends, act like an eagle. See you next time. Bye bye.